In this video, we play a cooperative game for kids. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, me and my son and daughter, we're going to play a game about some owls.
Hoot.
Yep. Now, as you can see, Amazon decided to put the sticker on the front cover of the game and send it like that without putting it in an envelope or a box. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. I don't understand that. Most people like to keep their games nice and clean, you know, without stickers all over them. So the third party was Stoneberry in Las Vegas. Stoneberry. So I doubt we'll be buying any more games from them since they can't afford to put it in an envelope or in a box by itself. My kids Gigi got this game for them. So this is called a
Gigi got?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, this is called a cooperative game for kids. So let's get going on this.
It's called Hoot Owl Hoot.
Well, yes.
It's called Hoot Owl Hoot.
But the game is made so we all work together. We either all win or we all lose. So.
What?
Yeah.
That makes that's nonsense.
That's not nonsense. Okay, let's see.
Well, you really work together on Busy Town.
Yes, that's true.
But which way are we going to go? This way?
Yes. Okay, the object, here it is. The young owls have ventured out to explore the deep, dark forest at night. They've had fun, and now it's time to get back to the nest. Can you help them fly home safely before the sun rises? The object of the game is the players to work together to get all the owls back to their nest before the sun rises. This is where the sun starts, that's where it rises.
So, when is it going to rise?
Okay, the setup. Beginner level. Play with 3 owls in the start spaces 1, 2, 3. That's us, because there's only 3 of us.
And they're only supposed to be 3?
In all the levels of play, place the sun token on the sun start space. Mix up the cards. Deal 3 cards to each player. Players keep their cards face up in front of them. Place the remaining cards face down as a draw pile. You will start the discard pile next to it. The youngest player goes to first and plays continue clockwise.
That makes sense.
Well, yes, it makes sense. I think so. Since this is a cooperative game and all the players are working toward the same goal, players can move any owl on their turn. Players should talk about their hands of cards and together plan how to get the owls home. Each turn has 3 steps. Play a card from your hand and then put it in the discard pile. Move either an owl or a sun token. Draw a new card. Pretty easy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you have a sun card, you must play it on your turn. When you play it, you move the sun token up 1 space on the sunrise track, then draw a card. This is your whole turn. So let's start this. We'll go through the instructions as we go.
What is the bell?
This is a sun card. Let's see. This is a Hoot Owl Hoot. Let me see these cards. Oh, I see. Yeah, see, this is the sun that goes right here. We start there.
And here's the sun card.
Yes.
You put the sun upside down.
Okay, well you can fix that if you want. Let's go ahead and start getting these going.
Now we get
What they say? Okay, here you go. Okay, there's a lot of suns in there, man.
Yeah. Oh, this one. Two dots and 1 sun.
All right, Judy. First thing you do.
3 dots and no suns. Is that
put this?
Judy?
You're gonna use what you're gonna do is you're gonna move the sun 1 over. You have to use the sun. If you get a sun, you have to use it.
I'm gonna do a red card.
No, you
You have to do the sun.
No matter what, you have to do the sun. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna give the card over here. This discard. And then you're gonna pick another card on top. Well, just one. And turn it over. There you go. Your turn, Mackie.
Why do you have to do the sun first?
Okay, you're gonna use the blue.
Because I don't have it.
Now you're gonna move. Well, you can move yours since you're second. Yes, you can move it there.
The blue.
Yes.
So I have to go to this blue though?
Yes. And then you get. That's it. That's your spawn. Now I have a sun, so yes.
Oh no.
Move there, and then I take another one. All right, Judy, your turn.
Which one are you using? Oh yeah, you did.
You put that right there. There you go. And then you'll get another one. Mackie?
Now I get to go farther.
Yeah, exactly. That's the idea. You want to use, but you also don't want to leave us all the way behind. What you could have done was take mine and use it. See, we have to have all three in the middle. You don't have to. I'm just saying.
Dad, you help you.
Oh. Okay, here we go.
You.
I'm gonna use blue. Sun. Everyone got a sun. Everyone's getting suns. So I'm gonna move mine to that one. See, I should have probably used an orange, but I didn't. Your turn, Judy. Sun reaching the end track.
I got a red.
I moved sun for space of color. It's possible to move a long distance this way.
You go white.
When there are no unoccupied spaces that match the color of the card that has been played.
What?
Oh, I see.
Judy already got to because she landed on the last purple.
Well, no. Once you know, and then here it is. You leave it there.
And then one of the cards.
Then it's your turn. What you can do, since you can move one of these in there, since there's not another yellow space. You use a yellow, and then you can move one of these in there.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. Judy just did, right?
Mm-hmm. Which one's mine?
Son, no. That's why they're all the same. You have to work together. It doesn't matter. You can say that's yours. Okay. I know.
Mine's all the way there.
There you go, Judy. Pick one.
You have to use your sun.
I have to use my sun. That is correct. Move it one more.
Actually, while you weren't working, I accidentally did it. Actually,
Did Judy take yours?
It's almost stuck, Daddy. Actually,
I know.
I did it before when you were looking.
That's alright, because she had a sun.
Oh.
You take yours? Judy, take that? Alright, Mackie. You could use another yellow and move one of these others in there.
Are you happy that I'm moving everyone in, Judy?
Well, that's the part. That's the game. Oh, you need to get some. Here you go. Now it's my turn.
Is it my turn?
And then I'm going to use this purple and move this one. And it's Judy's turn. That'll work. Since there is no more colors. And you move that in there. We won.
We won! Sun.
Yes.
I got it.
Wasn't that great? So what do you think of this game? Working together and everything.
I liked it.
You liked it? Look. That's great. All right then. There you go. Hey, remember, we're showing people how to play a game nice. Not get crazy.
Sorry.
That's all right. Join me next Saturday for a new video. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects. Also, email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. And since you're here, why don't you go ahead and check out these two videos on this side over here. Also, why don't you smash that red button down below to subscribe. And remember, any project you do, whether it's a game or a DIY, you are the project manager. Thank you.